In this video, I am going to show you how to create a TradingView account for free. So what you'll need to do first is simply go in your preferred browser and type tradingview.com. Once you do so, hit the enter button and this should take you into your account. For me, as you can see, I'm already logged into an account, so I can just go here and sign out as example. For you, you should find yourself in a place like this, and you'd like to go and click on get started at the top right corner. Here, you'll be able to create your account. As you can see, they have here some plans, so essential plans, premium, but for us, we'll ignore all of that and click on this $0 forever, free until you're ready. So click on sign up. Once you do so, you'll be taken here. So you can use a Google, Facebook, X, Yahoo, iPhone, LinkedIn, or just an email to create an account. For me, I'm just going to choose a Google account and I'm going to choose my account in here and I'll be logged in or created my account. For me, as you can see before, I already have an account, but for you, it's going to be the same steps. They'll just take you to your account right away and you'll be able to have your account ready to use. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.